What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we are looking at a ring light from ESDDI. Let's check it out. So here we have this ring light. This is from ESDDI. You can check this out on Amazon. Now this is a dope ring light because it's gonna be able to basically help you with your photography and your videography. If you're blogging, if you're vlogging, this is going to be a great thing to have. Now I want you to notice you get a 14-inch ring light right here all the way around. Your brightness toggles up here. It goes all the way from 3200 to 5600 on your light scale. Right here you got a holder for your phone. Now this actually goes back and forth. It goes all the way around, spins all the way around, no issues whatsoever. Your stand is an extremely sturdy stand. It stands all the way up to about, this thing towers over me, so it goes up to about 7 feet when it's totally stretched all the way out. So it's a nice little addition to anybody's arsenal if you're gonna be doing videos and doing photos and anything of that nature. Now, it comes with this nice carrying bag. Put everything in here, and it even comes with an extension. You can hook that up, sit the bag back up here. Now this light comes with the tripod. You're gonna pay about 90 bucks for this combination. I want to show you how it actually works. So you loosen the light up and it goes up and down, back and forth by itself. We'll do this, tighten it up. Let's turn it on. Switch is in the back to actually turn it on. It comes on, it's really bright. Now let's check out. You can dim it. Change from the white light to a more yellow light. Dim it again. Change the light again. Turn it off. So it's a really bright light. It's gonna be very efficient for shooting videos and taking photos. Now I want to show you how tall this thing gets. So give me 1 second and I'm gonna let it all the way up and then I'm gonna let it all the way back down. I'm gonna start all the way at the bottom, and then I'm just gonna scroll all the way up just to show you guys exactly how tall this is gonna get. Now I got so tall that it actually made my power cable kind of stretch out, but it's going up, up. And it's way up there, almost by the ceiling. So it's really tall. You can get a lot of things done with this light. It's going to really be an asset because of the height that it goes up to, because of the stability that it has. When you're actually using this light, it's extremely stable. The tripod on the bottom does not move, it does not shake, it does not rock at all. It's a nice steady tripod, and it's gonna allow you to get the best pictures and best videos that you can because of the stability that it has on those legs and those feet. So like I said, this is a 14-inch ring light from ESDDI. Really great buy. You can go and check it out. You're gonna get the light, you're gonna get the phone mount, you're gonna get the actual tripod. Everything comes with that. No extra things you have to buy or put together. Really great price, really great buy. So go by and check them out. I'll leave a link below. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.